It's time. It's time for me to finally reveal the inspiration fragrance of the new Pete and Pedro fragrance that we're launching this summer. And it could quite possibly be the best fragrance we've ever launched. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? The inspiration, drum roll please, is none other. Sex Panther is the official inspiration for the new Pete and Pedro fragrance. This bad boy, oh my God, ow, actually it burns a little bit. The gasoline and the alcohol fumes. Anyway, the great news with this, everybody bitches about projection. This projects like literally you can smell it from like a mile away. And remember, 60% of the time, it works every time. April Fools. All right, you knew it was April Fools. I love the movie. I also thought it was cool. But what I do love is the opportunity to tell you about the official new fragrance that we are dropping this summer at Pete and Pedro. It is right here. This is the Magic Elixir. And this fragrance is, in my opinion, quite possibly the sexiest, most amazing, best smelling fragrance out there. Now, this year we decided, all right, we're dropping a new one, right? And we went to the lab, right? We went to the lab. We went to the mall. I went to Neiman Marcus and spent 4 hours in there walking around, smelling all these different like super premium, luxe, expensive fragrances. I was running around like a mad scientist. I was grabbing like little sticks of fragrance, running up to women being like, do you like this or do you like this? Do you like this or do you like that? By the time I left, I had a headache, but I had the one best smelling fragrance out there, period. It is officially none other than, should I say, inspired heavily, like I'm talking heavily, by none other than Creed's Millesime Imperial. You guessed it. Gentlemen, here's the deal. This fragrance is so fucking sexy. Like I can't, like seriously, I sprayed it on, I went home, I let my wife smell, she's like, "Wow, exactly." She like pounced on me like a sex panther. Anyway, deal is this. The new fragrance we're coming out with is inspired very, very heavily by Creed's Millesime Imperial. All right, except we actually made it last longer. All right, that's one of the downsides to the fragrance that people say. It doesn't last or project as long or as strong as it should. And so we went to the lab, and guys, I have perfected the formula. The regular price of this is like $500, but right now, limited time, actually not right now, soon, it's gonna be available for you guys. And if you go and sign up to be notified when we drop, you're gonna get a special 25% off discount, but you gotta be on the list. This is gonna drop around like June to summertime. It's a fresh, light fragrance that is strong, that is sexy, that smells absolutely insanely sexy. Guys, hit the link down below. Go sign up to be notified when this bad boy drops. This one, honestly, I think it's gonna sell out like super quick. We're getting a limited run. We learned a lesson with some of the other fragrances. And so we've got a limited supply, a limited run, and when we sell out, it's done. We're doing a limited number. Guys, now is the time. Do not wait. Go treat yourself and the spicy senorita senses to the most amazingly sexy fragrance out there. Go sign up to be notified. This bad boy is going to rock.